Lower Zambezi National Park is 4,000 square kilometres of pristine wilderness along the mighty Zambezi River in southern Zambia. The park is home to significant numbers of wildlife and holds a rich level of biodiversity. Elephants, lions and buffaloes roam the open plains, while hippos and crocodiles bask on the riverbank, which makes up the southern boundary of the national park. The northern boundary of the park runs through the stunning Zambezi Escarpment, a series of gently flowing hills which are largely untouched by humans and therefore teeming with animals such as roan, sable and even small numbers of the endangered and elusive wild dog. In 2011, at this proposed site, an Australian mining company by the name of Zambezi Resources had been granted a 25-year mining licence by the Zambian government to start a large-scale open-pit mining project for copper. After an environmental impact statement was submitted, the prospective environmental damage was published and it became clear that few people were happy with the outcomes, many of which are long-term environmental problems that surely outweigh the economic gains. The Zambian Environment Management Agency rejected this EIS on the grounds that the project would compromise the ecological value of the park as well as the ecosystem. Zambezi Resources re-appealed the decision and went back to the Zambian government for support, leading to Zima's rejection being overturned. Permission was therefore granted to them for an open-cast copper mine in the Lower Zambezi National Park by the Minister of Lands, Mr. Harry Kalaba. People travel far and wide from all over the world to see the amazing wildlife found here in the Lower Zambezi. The potential environmental effects could have a significant impact to the tourism industry, which employs a lot of people in the area. This loss of employment and community income could lead to poaching and encroachment of the proposed site. Conservation Lower Zambezi are a non-governmental organisation based in the Lower Zambezi, assisting in the preservation and protection of wildlife and its habitat as an asset and resource of the country and people of Zambia. CLZ have since issued a statement on their stance on the proposed mine, which said, "Whilst in general CLZ supports mining as an important part of the development of Zambia's economy, based on the documents which have been made publicly available, CLZ is deeply concerned about this mine's environmental threat to the communities, ecosystems and wildlife of the Lower Zambezi National Park. As it stands, there is still an ongoing debate surrounding this highly controversial topic. So what can you do? Visit conservationlowerzambezi.org to find out more about the Lower Zambezi, and visit change.org to sign the petition and show your support against the mining project."